I've always loved working with voices, as I'm endlessly curious of the possibility of the human voice, and I have been, I think, ever since I was a little girl. I started as an intern in a studio when I was 14 in Norway and learned Pro Tools, and I started cutting up voices. That was my first joy of using the music program, was that I could record myself and cut it up and loop it and reverse it, and it's basically what I'm doing still, but on a more skilled level. I think it has taken about 6 years to make the bell tower. I started to record the voices for the sample instrument about 6 years ago. And then I recorded Roomful of Teeth, the voice ensemble, 2 years ago, I guess it is. I think sometimes as an artist it's nice to make limitations and frames for oneself. If not, I can feel like I can get lost in all the possibilities. And I work a lot with film music, so I'm used to working with a narrative. And if I don't have that in the film music, I create it myself. For my own projects too, I kind of always create a set of rules and a story. And with the bell tower, I felt it was a joyful challenge to try to not put any other instruments than voice in there. You